Well, how you guys doing? This is Martin, 52-year-old man, 16 years old for retirement, going on 17, deciding, what am I going to do? Should I just retire? Should I just walk away from work now? How many of you are young thinking, hey, am I ever going to retire? Am I just going to be working in this warehouse, lifting this box 49 pounds forever? It's possible, man. Or what about some of you who've worked, you thought you had all this money, you thought I had, man, I have almost $1 million or $2 million in my account. And then here comes COVID and your account dropped from 60 to 40 to 70. Who got impacted by that? Let me know. So right now I just got out the gym here, 24-hour fitness. Feeling a little bitter now, man. Get tired of running. You get tired of doing the hills, man. So you have to modify your workouts. So plus you can look at the young girls too, man. Don't tell my wife, man. Okay, my girlfriend. But eventually I got to focus on her. She's already saying, Daddy, you got to lose that gut. You fat black man. Stop drinking the beers. How about who's going into the new year? Your wife or your girlfriend already has you on the short list. They're already sick of you from quarantine. And then you're fat. You're lazy. You ain't making no money. And then you try to get fucked. Trying to get someone to suck your dick and eat your pussy. And yeah, they already tired of you, man. That's how I am. She's like, man, I gotta go make some money. I thought I had this one job, but I don't think it's gonna work out, man. It's just I want to just come in and just do some. Who's there where you just wanted to get a job, and they're just making it harder, taking through all these things to do it, and that's what they were doing. I was like, I just want to come in and work the fucking job, make you some money. But the problem is when you have problems on the beginning, that means you're gonna have problems with your money. So I'm thinking, do I really want to do this? So let me know. And then I'm thinking, oh, maybe I'll go work upsjobs.com. Oh, no, I ain't lifting no boxes, man. No, not yet. Not unless I get a girl pregnant, then I got to go do that. But till then, I'm trying to find some other ways to make money. So it's tough, man. I'm like, oh my gosh. And it's going to get worse. I'm just looking right now, the stupid politicians, they don't know what they're doing. We're going to shut down everything. Well, when you shut down everything before, did that work? Did that work? Let me know. Did you think that worked? People probably already had the damn COVID virus. Go get tested. Go get tested. Go get tested. Why? You already know people have it. Now that they got all the results. Oh, no. Doesn't it make any sense? It's Chicken Little. You're the ones who said to people to go get tested. I knew this would happen. As soon as everyone gets tested, everybody has it. So what now? Does everyone die? Does everyone turn into a zombie? What are you going to do? You going to take a bullet and just start shooting people? I'm 50. You going to kill me? Or is it going to become like Logan's Run? You probably don't know what Logan's Run. But it's one of those series where the people, after you got 35 or so, they killed you. So is that what's going to happen? All the people 52, 50 and above, you just going to kill us? Is that what's going to happen? I'm already going to have to go on the run. I'm going to be running through the desert in San Bernardino, man. Trying to hide. The rebels will be coming after me on the helicopters, on the horses. Is that what's going to happen? So let me know what you guys think as you head into Thanksgiving. Are you just like, damn, I never thought about buying a gun before, but I don't even want to, you're trying to decide, do I want to buy a guy to shoot someone? Or do you want to buy a gun to defend yourself? Or do you want to buy a gun so you can eat the bullet? That's what you're trying to make sure. If I pull it, I want to make sure it takes me out. Don't take out half my brain and then have me in some sitting in a shit. No. So whatever I buy, I got to make sure I eat it. You guys remember that movie Daylight? Daylight Ends, where the guy he's running he's trying to escape in this Jaguar. I still don't know where he's trying to go. He cutting down an alley with these zombie type things chasing. I'm like, why are you going down the alley, bro? Just outrun him, man. Just outrun him. If they catch you, you catch you. He going down an alley. I'm like, then he gets caught. He runs into something. And he eats a bullet. I mean, gosh, some of the stuff you see. But let me know what you think heading into Thanksgiving, man. I don't think we got shit to be thankful for, man. I'm thinking I want to ask that question. What are you most grateful for, Martin? Not a goddamn thing. Not a motherfucking thing. I had to take a 10% pay cut. I got whacked out people all around me. I got the homeless moving into the park. I got people playing their music loud. I got my kids not in school. I'm trying to do Zoom calls. I got people in college doing online training. Ain't shit to be happy about. What else? I mean, what? Biden? No, that's going to be a disaster. If you think people were rioting before, oh, good Lord, man. Get a gun, dog, and a robot. Where's RoboCop when you need it? Because you know these people go fucking crazy. I'm just waiting for it. They're rioting during Trump, and they scared of him because he was with the Republicans. You know, with the demos, they just go, fuck these motherfuckers. They just go hog wow. So let me know what you guys think, man. Are you guys ready for the riots? It's gonna be that movie. Was it Running Man? Is it gonna be Running Man soon? I'm gonna put Martin. I'm gonna be one of those Running Man. I'm gonna skate. But then was it Inferno or Fireball? Catch me, light me up, and they'll be showing my picture. Martin will skate, but I'm really dead. Is that where we're heading? Running Man, Logan's Run. So I mean, the turkeys are the lucky ones. The turkey, when all the humans die out now, maybe the turkeys will take over the world. What do you think, man? So maybe you can transfer my brain into a robot so I can become RoboCop. So, but yeah, today I was in the gym. It's good to go to the gym just to work out, look at the young people, get them out, just get them away from the house, man. So many people, I have not seen more people vaping, smoking in a long time. I have not seen this much stuff since, I mean, maybe that 2001 recession. Even during 2008, it wasn't that bad. I think what's made this one worse was gave people a lot of free money, man. You should never give people money. I remember when I got laid off, I got paid $365 a month. And you can only stay on unemployment for 6 months. After that, they start just tracking you. Are you applying for a job, Martin? Are you applying for a job? If you don't apply for a job, they cut your wages. That's why I say, if you're unemployment, just go out and when you're unemployed, you're going to have to do the UPS. You're going to have to do the Amazon jobs. Go out and do it. Even if you just make the money, because whatever the money you make, they're going to deduct whatever you make from your salary, from your home unemployment. Just do it. Because they were strict during my time. So when they gave people $1,200 a week extra to do what? To sit at home? I'm like, what the fuck, man? You see more Mercedes, more Beamers, more Audis on the road now with 12, 15 million people unemployed than you have ever. I see people with, just like I'm saying, I'm not saying people are ghetto, but I'm just saying I see a lot of ghetto people riding some nice rides. I'm like, what the hell? What's going on? Did I miss something? I mean, and they look at me and my camera. Hey, bro, you're stupid, man. You didn't take that free government money, man. What's up, bro? That's what you and your people do. When I was young, they told me you guys were on the county. Hey, I want some of that free Negro money. Did you get it? Yeah, I'm on, bro. What's going on? Man. I thought I was vaping, man. Oh, man, but what you gonna do heading into Thanksgiving? My goal right now is just to run. My catchphrase for the rest of the year is just run to play. Because, I mean, I just run to play. You're gonna be seeing a lot of bizarre shit. For example, I was at the park the other day. This guy gets out with his girlfriend. They have some clothes. And then they're walking around, and then they're walking toward the bushes. He has two friends pull up, one in the truck. Guy has tattoos all over his face, and another car. And I'm trying to figure out, what are they doing, man? And then they're all around me. What do people think they can come around black people and just do all bizarre, perverted shit, man? Biden, Kamala Harris, let them know we aren't all deviants and stuff. I mean, and then I remember I was at the park. There's one black guy, 3 white guys. Maybe they're Mexican. 4 of them are in the stall at the bathroom. I'm like, what the hell? I have never been around a generation where a bunch of men like to be together. I don't even see that many gay guys together. I see more straight guys together than I do gay guys together. I mean, what is going on? I mean, I went to an all-guy high school, and I mean, I don't want to be around a bunch of guys to do what, man? Even when I see men together, even one thing, you're sucking each other's dicks, you're committing a crime, or you're just doing drugs. That's for me, man. That's my thing. I see either you're sucking each other's dicks, you're doing drugs, or you're going to go commit a crime. Which one is it, man? I see a bunch of guys together. If I was a cop, I'd say, what's up, man? What's up? Hanging out on the corners. Just bizarre stuff. I see it from a lot of the young men, too. All races, 20 to 30, just hanging out. Like they don't know what to do. They're just lost. They're just... I don't know. Don't you guys let me know what you guys think, man? Don't you see a lot of men just lost? Just they don't know what to do. They just do bizarre stuff. Do stuff they see on TV, or just do whatever the person tells them. Hey, just do this, man. Just do this, man. All right, man. All right, man. Suck my dick, man. All right, man. All right, man. I don't know. That's why so many girls are dumping these guys, man. They're just, hey, give me the. Let's watch it. I don't know what's going to happen after this quarantine, how many people are going to get divorced, but I know you're going to see a lot of these young couples they're going to end up getting divorced, getting rid of people. So you see a lot of that going down. So let me know what you guys think, man. That's why I have my programs. You ask me, Martin, why you be hustling and always ask for money for your blackjack retirement program, $500 to earn extra money? Why you be talking about, hey, paying off your car loan faster, $75, $125, $200 programs? Martin, why are you always talking about, hey, making extra money with a commission program, how to make money on a commission for $100? Or Martin, why are you trying to do? Because, man, you need money. This is a money planet. The older I get, the more I realize it's all about the money. Everything else is irrelevant. Not even looks. I mean, looks are close. Money number one, looks number two, and I'm starting to debate the looks. You can always have the money and make yourself look good. But if you don't have no money, it doesn't really matter, man. I mean, I'm gonna take my mask to the market. They say, can I get some food with these masks? Get this black guy out of here. Whoop his ass, man. You're in the black cops and whoop my ass. What's wrong with you? No, that's what I'm saying. Wear the mask, do this, do that. It's all bullshit, man. It's all bullshit. And then if you're a healthcare worker, trust me, when this COVID thing ends, and all you mask people in, they're gonna watch the medical profession be decimated in a year or two. They're gonna be considering them quacks, wackos. They're gonna be treating them like, Vietnam when the soldiers came back and no one liked them. That's how they're still teaching doctors, nurses. Watch, it's gonna happen. You don't believe me? I'm just saying. But join the channel, subscribe, comment, like, have some other programs coming out. But hey, wouldn't you like to pay off your car loan faster? Paid off one car loan in 19 months. Even if you don't save any money, wouldn't you just want to be out from under having to pay for those car loans, man? So that's what I'm saying. Get those programs. I know some of you are watching my videos. Hey, Martin paid off his student loan for $94,117. Now it's down to $26,200. Now you're not gonna learn anything working. You learn some tips, a few tips, but you need to work, learn the mentality, learn why I wanted to pay it off, learn the strategies. Did you go through a probate thing? Did you owe money to the welfare? Did you have squatters in the house that your grandmother left to you? No, you don't. So looking at those videos just is supposed to say it can be done. All you need to know is the possibility. I'll give you some tips. But then you got to go deep, man. Go deep like I'm going to do with these girls now. Stop going after all the women, brother. Go deep, man. One or two is all you need, man. Have you some money. Have you a good woman. You two can go out and make money together. That's what's going to get you through the COVID. That's what you're going to get through the 21. So run the play, man. Whatever you do, just don't worry about the distractions. People are fucking crazy now. They especially the young kids, young men, they're just done. I don't know where they're headed. I guess that's what happened. I worked in a warehouse a while. It's just ain't no rocket scientist working in no warehouse. I can show they'll tell you that. So subscribe, comment, like. What you think, man? It's gonna be a crazy year. You think some of the young men have just gone off the rocker? Let me know what you guys think. And hey, are you ready to pay off that car loan? Hey, you ready to pay off that student loan? Hey, you ready to make some money, make a commission? Hey, Martin, you have a Powerball program. Show us how you made some money playing Powerball. How did you win? 2 out of 8 draws in August. 2 out of 8 draws in September. 1 out of 8 draws in October. And I don't know what our final results are going to be from November. So let me know. Join the channel. Stay up to date, man. And if I were you for Thanksgiving, stay inside, man. A bunch of crazy fuckers out there now. Hey, no relatives need to be coming over this year. You know what? No relatives need to be coming